This wig that I'll be showing you guys is from Neatandsleek. That's the name of the company. They sent me their braided wig to try out, so I'm so excited to try out this wig. So guys, this is the wig we're going to be working with today. The lace is kind of dark brown and it's from a brand called Neatandsleek. Honestly, this is like the neatest, literally the neatest braided wig I've seen ever, so I just can't wait to try it out. Lace is kind of dark brown, but then I'm going to be adding some foundation to it just to make it my perfect skin color. And I've already done the bald cap method, so I'll just add some foundation under here, foundation powder actually. I'll be using my contour shade to do that. The wig has an adjustable strap, and then you can adjust it to whatever size your head is. I'm going for the smaller size, just so this wig can stay very put on my head. And yeah, just because I feel like this will be hard to work with, I'm just going to pack most of it up. And yeah, so you guys, I packed most of the hair to the back just so it doesn't distract me. I'm just going to take out the baby hair braids just to see what it looks like, and if we can work with this. Of course we can. If we can't, we'll trim them. But then the first thing I noticed straight up is that the hairline is kind of straight. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut off the ear tabs, and then I'll apply my lace glue before we come and work on these baby hairs. They're quite long, so we're going to have to cut that. And yeah.